Herman Moe. Herman Moe.
Wait up, Jeremiah. Wait up. We got traffic.
I'll be amazed if it pulls it out in two-wheel drive. Go ahead. Oh! Hey! You broke it off. Take it.
You broke it off.
Yeah. Go ahead and take it.
What are we gonna do now? You're gonna have to cut that out somehow. It's your job.
Such craziness. Yeah, we're good, buddy. When you're still rolling.
Get that motherfucker over.
The stuff I'm involved in. We don't haul the tree. We tow the tree. Middle of town, 11:30 in the morning. This is how we do it. Hoping the cops aren't. Good grief. You believe that? What we do.
Make a loop. Make a loop.
What we do.
Oh, there he goes. Look at it, John. It's flying over to the other lane.
How far does he have to go?
About 2 miles from here.
Past Kyle Myers?
Industrial Park. Look at it.
Up past the industrial park?
Yeah, he's gonna go around this summit and fly that thing out in front of somebody.
Good grief. All right. Another beautiful day in Herman Moe. God bless America.